Hello, good afternoon, and welcome back to Cafe class. So, in my class today, I want to deal with my younger siblings, my students whom I'm currently teaching at Act Mission School and other junior high schools. I want to help them with some BECE preparation questions. So, what we are basically going to do at this material moment is to solve one or two of these questions, and then we look at other things as well. So our first question says that if set A is equal to the multiples of 4 less than 30, and then set B is equal to the factors of 24, they are all subsets of U is equal to X such that X is greater or equal to 1 but less or equal to 30, where X is a natural number. We are to list the elements in A intersection B, and then also find the number of elements in A union B. So we tackle the first question, and then we look at the second one too. So from the little information I have, per my understanding of this question, we are to find the multiples of 4 which are less than 30. That is the set A. So the multiples of 4 are just the numbers that you get when you multiply 4 by any number. So 4, 1, 4, 4, 2, 8 in that order. But it should be less than 30. So I have 4. From 4 I go to 8. 4, 3, that will give me 12. So I end at 28 because if I want to continue, it will be more than 30, which is 32. So I end at 28. So I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. And the set B also is given by, or is given as, the factors of 24. So what are the numbers that when I multiply by another number, I get 24? That is what I'm interested in. So I can have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 also times 8, and then finally I think 4 times 6. So these are my factors of 24. Okay, then my universal set. So natural numbers greater or equal to 1. So I start from 1 up to 30. Okay, so I have the universal set, which is also from 1 up to 30. So the question then says I should find or list the elements in A intersection B. So with A intersection B, I'm only interested in what is in A and at the same time in B. And if I cross check this very well, I can get 4 here, 8 here, I can get 12, I can get 24. So okay, so these are my elements in A intersection B. Now, number of elements in A union B. If you don't get A union B, how then do you get the number of elements in it? So first of all, let's get our A union B first. So first of all, we get our A union B. A union B has to do with a combination of A and then B. So starting with the smallest one, which is the 1 here, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 6, the 8, the 12, the 16, 20 in that order. So 1, yes, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. When I count them now, that becomes the number of elements in A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I get 11 elements over here. So 11 elements or members. Okay, so this is it for the first question. We move to the second question, which says that we should simplify. So we have to simplify 4 whole number 1 over 3 minus 1 whole number 2 over 5, all divided by 4 over 15. So from board mass, is there a bracket? Yes, of course, there's a bracket. So we have to simplify what we have in the bracket first, and then we can proceed to do the other simplification as well. When we look in the brackets, we can see mixed fractions. So we convert our mixed fractions into improper fractions before we can proceed with any other addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. So 3, 4, 12 plus 1, 13 over 3 minus 5, 1, 5 plus 2, 7 over 5. Now all of this divided by 4 over 15, like we see here. 4 over 15. Okay. Now I can simplify this side since they are all in the improper form, so I can simplify that side. LCM here is 15. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 13, that should be 65. Then also I have minus 5 goes into 15 3 times. 3 7, 21 divided by 4. Okay. 65 minus 21, that is 44, if I'm not mistaken. 44. So now this bracket is gone. I have just two separate fractions which are being separated by a division sign. So I now write this as, so I have 44 over 15. Now times, the division sign is changing to multiplication, so times the reciprocal of 4 over 15 will be 15 over 4. Then 15 here will cancel, 15 here will cancel, giving us 44 out of 4. Okay, then we proceed. 4 goes into each of 1, 4 goes into 44, 11. So I have 11 as my final answer to the second question as well. So first question done, second question done. Let's quickly go to the third question. I'm mismanaging the board, or I'm misusing the board, but please pardon me so that we can. I'm just trying to make do a good work for you. That is why I'm mismanaging the board. Okay, so we go to the third question. Now, our third question reads that Mr. Tego pays his agent 10% commission on type A houses. So, the type A house the agent gets 10% commission, and the type B house, the agent is getting 15% commission. Now this question says that Mr. Tego pays his agent 10% commission on type A houses and then 15% on type B houses. The agent sells 3 type A houses at 600,000 Ghana cedis each. So the price of, let's say, a type A house. So Ghana cedis 600,000, and then the price of a type B house. So that is given by 900,000 Ghana cedis. Now the agent is able to sell 3 of the type A houses and then 2 of the type B houses. And then we have to calculate the total commission Mr. Tego will pay his agent. So when we say commission, commission simply means the percentage you have been given out of 100 times the price you have in the question. So the type A commission will be equal to 10 over 100 times 600,000. So these two zeros will take care of these two zeros, giving us 10 times 6,000, which is equal to 60,000. Now the 60,000 here simply means that each of the type A houses, when the agent is able to sell, he's going to get an amount of 60,000 as a commission or as a gift to for himself. So if one is this, then three would be 3 times 6, that is 18. So Ghana cedis 180,000. So for the type B commission to the same thing, 15 over 100 by 900,000. 15 times 9,000. 5 times 9, that is 45. 9 times 1, that is 9 plus this 135. I add my 3 zeros. So the agent gets 135,000 Ghana cedis for each of the type B houses. And then here we're told that the houses were 2. So the 135 is going to be multiplied by 2. Five, 2, 10, 1 here. 2 times 3, that is 6 plus 1, 7. So 270. So he's getting a commission of 270,000 Ghana cedis for the 2 of them type B houses. So total commission now. So total commission now becomes 180,000. That is for the type A commission plus 270,000 Ghana cedis. That is the type B commission. Then when I sum these two, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 7, 15, 1 here, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 8, 4. So Ghana cedis, 450,000. Yeah. So 450,000 Ghana cedis is the total commission Mr. Tegol will pay to his agent for selling the 3 type A houses and then 2 of the type B houses. So this is how to go about this particular question. And then the question 4 says that we should evaluate 3.